Anthem 1 is equipped with a 1/4-20 stainless steel insert that can handle more than 600 pounds of shear force and natively supports all of the camera equipment that you see on this table. And that's the key to understanding why we chose the 1/4-20 over natively having a 3/8/16 in the system. Now, if you insist on a 3/8/16, we've built the adapter for you, and it's not a problem. It's also made out of the exact same stainless steel that the 1/4-20 is, and it just screws in like that. But my suggestion, my preference, is that you actually use the 1/4-20 because honestly, it's already exceedingly strong. It can handle more than 600 pounds of shear force, which is 100 times the weight of the system. And that's 600 pounds of shear force with an off-the-shelf, ordinary stainless steel threaded stud. So once you accept the science behind that, you'll find that you have more things available to you as a photographer or cinematographer, like all of this equipment. And suddenly your camera equipment also becomes your lighting equipment, which is part of the revolution that we wanted to create with the Anthem 1 system.
Anthem 1. We didn't invent the light. We perfected it.